So what's up guys, I'm going to show you two very simple techniques to add dust or dirt to your car or any object in Blender using Blender, not Substance or any third-party stuff, really just Blender. So let's jump right into Blender. So we're inside Blender. I got my famous half dome asset here once again because it's just the easiest. I've got a Mustang with a pure material. So what we're going to do is add some dirt. So basically what I'm going to do is mix dirt and car paint together. So first we're going to create a very basic car paint. So metallic 1, roughness maybe 0.45, clear coat 2, specular tint 1, something like this. Actually, Silver Mustang looks pretty good, but so we can see the dirt a bit better, I might do a green metallic Mustang, maybe something like this. So now we got a green metallic Mustang, and now what we need is a second shader, not a second material, and that's gonna be the dirt. So hook up a principal shader, hook this up, hook up a image texture. As you see, I already got a dirt texture online. It doesn't really matter. You can use sand, dirt, just anything that kind of looks like dirt. You could probably even use just color or noise. But I'm using this dirt texture. So hook this bad boy up so it looks like this. Here you have the texture. Keep in mind you need some type of something UVs to map a texture onto this car. That's not what this video is about. So once you got dirt in a okay scale, something like this, you got a dirt shader and a car paint shader. Oh, dirt usually doesn't have roughness, or has a lot of roughness, so one roughness. So we've got dirt and car paint. Basically, we will mix these two bad boys together, so just like this. 0 is car paint, 1 is dirt, yeah? You probably know this. Now the question is, how are we going to mix these together? There's two techniques that you could use. One is using the geometry node and the normal output of the geometry node, and we're going to separate the X, Y, Z and only use the Z, just like this. Now you have dirt on top of the car, just a dust layer. You could use a color ramp if you want, and then you have a little bit more control. So you can squeeze this over so it's a bit tighter and really just on the top, but you can also do the opposite and push it down so it really goes up until here. And if you want to invert it, the easiest is just swapping these two. That's pretty much it. You could also multiply some noise in there so it's not just a perfect curve. Yeah, from here on you can just start getting creative. A second technique that works pretty well, I think, is the ambient occlusion. Only works in CUDA, I think, not in optics. Hook up ambient occlusion, same game. And now we can, actually it's the wrong way around, so we don't want everything dirt and ambient occlusion car paint, so actually we're going to swap these. So now there's dirt inside. So you see there's dirt inside of here, and there's like, I don't know, probably the handle also. Yeah, there's dirt inside of there. So this is also a pretty cool technique and also looks pretty realistic. Also in the front, it gets the ambient occlusion, also pretty cool. Also here, you can just use the color ramp, slap that boy in there, and move it over to have a bit more extreme dirt. And yeah, it just looks pretty cool. And that's pretty much it. These are two, it's also cool under the mirror. These are two very simple and quick techniques to add dirt. I didn't want to make a crazy rocket science video on this topic. If you want to do it correctly and super high end, I recommend using Substance Painter, but just for quick little dirt here and there, I think this works well as well. So have fun, be creative, come up with crazy stuff, and just multiply some noise here and there, and it will look even better. So that's it, and have fun. Goodbye.